our patient of today. He is 3 years old and has a unilateral cleft lip that was repaired when he was 6 months. It's an overall good repair, but he has a mismatch right now of the white roll that makes the lip to look shorter. So we are going to do a revision of the scar, and we are going to align the white roll and align also the red line and the white roll. We already did the initial markings, and after this we do the infiltration with lidocaine and epinephrine, so we control any possible bleeding, and I will guide you through the surgery with the steps.
If I were to the sea, baby, I never say, for I will fall into the light. Every time I try to breathe, the moon will rise and carry me, for I've loved and I have died. So I won't hold back, and you should know that,
We are done here with the markings. We tattoo those marks so we don't miss any of them during the procedure. What in his case, what we have done is design a triangle flap that will come from the lateral lip to be inserted in the middle lip, so we increase the vermilion. And also above the white roll we design another triangle that will be inserted in the medial side above the white roll to be able to lengthen this segment of the lip, so we match the lateral segment with the medial segment.
just have regrets. So I won't go back. Oh Lord, I got me to forget the time I lost with no regrets. And the moon shine back again. And the moon shine back again. When I drove down to abyss.
Okay, here we have removed the scar and we are aligning the tissues. As you can see, we did really key point where we are aligning the white roll. This is a simple scar revision, but will have an important impact in the aesthetics of the lip. Really, the foundation allows us to help all the kids with cleft lip and cleft palate that come to us in a comprehensive way, so we can give really the results that they deserve. So we are giving dental, speech, and surgery in a timely way that will have an impact for their lives.
While I blame the world's neglect, then I shine right back again. So I won't hold back, and you should know that was never gone, just like regrets. So I won't go back, oh Lord, I got me.
Okay, so took us around 30 minutes to complete the revision. As you can see, we have like the aesthetic units more aligned, like a perfect alignment of the white roll, red line, and now the lip doesn't look short anymore. So we keep those permanent sutures that we remove around 5 days from now, and those that are reabsorbable that they will fall by themselves. So now we're done.